Zhuhai Mitali Innovations Technology Company Limited, Mitali, is located in Zhuhai, Guangdong. Our company integrated with R&D, production, sales, and service with 27 years of experience in access control industry, has in-depth cooperation with well-known international enterprises and top 100 real estate companies. We specialize in smart locks, access control systems, and accessories widely used in smart hotels, intelligent factory, commercial office, integrated campus, and other scenarios. We constantly advance to provide customers with more systematic, modernized, and secure access management solutions, thus bringing more valuables to future intelligent access.